In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a user in Xero. Now, before we start, make sure you are a subscriber or have user admin permissions. And of course, you have access to your Xero organization. Because without these, you won't be able to invite users. Now, once you are logged in into the dashboard, I want you to click your profile icon where you can find it on the top left corner. And from here, I want you to click the settings and then click the users. This will forward you to the page wherein you can have the option to invite a user. Click on it, and then all you have to do is super simple, enter the user details. Now, this is important. You need to enter the email address because this is where Xero will send the invitation email. Now, select the user's role. If you check the box, it will give you 3 more options. We have the limited, the standard wherein it's day-to-day access. Admin is for accountants and bookkeepers so that they'll have extra permissions like bank reconciliation, payroll access, invoice, or expense permissions. Remember, roles determine what the user can see and do in your account. You can also check the business and accounting if you wanted and read all the terms and conditions. And you can also personalize the invite by adding a message. For example, let's say we have that specific message, and then all I have to do is click the send invite. And after sending, the user will show us pending, and once they accept, their status becomes active. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a user here in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.